And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 4-port USB 3.0 hub. Inside of this little box is a USB hub. You can see they have 4 different colors on the back. I got the regular black version. But in here, that's it for the box. Got a little user's manual here. And then a USB-A, which it's blue, so that means it's USB 3.0, so it'll be faster. Plugs into one of your USB ports on your laptop or desktop and turns that one fast USB port into 4 USB ports. So you can plug in a printer, a mouse, a webcam, and a keyboard all through one USB port. Can give you a little bit of the specs. This has a transfer rate of 5 gigs. So as long as this is plugged into a USB 3.0 port on your computer, then theoretically you could move items at approximately 5 gigs through this device. Very nice and light. Has a little light here so you know when it's plugged in. Outside of that, I think that will do it for this 4-port USB 3.0 hub. Again, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send me this device to unbox and show you all. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.